The 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus is a compact sedan that blends power, luxury, and advanced technology, making it an appealing choice for driving enthusiasts and those who appreciate premium features. This model continues Mazda's tradition of delivering a refined driving experience while incorporating modern design elements and innovative technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. This powertrain is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth gear shifts and impressive acceleration. The standard all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making it ideal for various road conditions. The responsive steering and well-tuned suspension contribute to a sporty and engaging drive, reinforcing Mazda's reputation for delivering a driver-focused experience. The exterior design of the Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus exudes elegance with its sculpted body lines, sleek LED headlights, and a signature front grille that gives it a bold presence. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances aesthetics but also improves fuel efficiency and performance. The 18-inch alloy wheels, blacked-out accents, and dual exhaust outlets further enhance its sporty appeal. The available paint options include a striking Soul Red Crystal, Machine Gray Metallic, and Deep Crystal Blue, among others, adding to its premium look. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. The premium leather-trimmed seats provide exceptional comfort and support, while the heated and ventilated front seats ensure a pleasant driving experience in any climate. The dashboard layout is designed for ease of use, featuring high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces. The leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob add to the upscale feel. Technology is a key highlight in this model, with a 10.25-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The intuitive Mazda Connect system allows easy access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings through a user-friendly interface. A premium 12-speaker Bose audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, making every drive enjoyable. The head-up display provides essential driving information without distracting the driver, while the wireless charging pad ensures devices stay powered on the go. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus, with an extensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard iActiveSense safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of the surroundings, enhancing parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The advanced driver attention alert system detects signs of fatigue and provides warnings to keep the driver focused on the road. Fuel efficiency remains commendable despite the powerful turbocharged engine. The estimated fuel economy is around 23 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway, making it an efficient option for a performance-oriented vehicle. The balance between power and efficiency makes it a practical choice for daily commuting and spirited driving. The 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus competes with models like the Honda Civic C, Volkswagen Jetta GLI, and Subaru WRX, but it stands out with its combination of premium features, refined interior, and engaging driving dynamics. While some rivals offer manual transmission options for purists, Mazda focuses on delivering a sophisticated and balanced driving experience. Mazda has continued to push the boundaries of what a compact sedan can offer, and the 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo Premium Plus exemplifies this philosophy. With its blend of power, luxury, and technology, it remains a strong contender in the segment. Whether you are looking for a stylish daily driver or a vehicle that provides excitement behind the wheel, this model offers an impressive package. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, reviews, and automotive trends, be sure to subscribe to Next General Rides. We bring you in-depth insights and exclusive content to keep you informed about the next generation of vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and thanks for watching.